Hello, Pirates. Orange County Garage Door Rescue, 949-245-6375, www.orangecountygaragedoorrescue.com. And we do Orange County Garage Door repairs, Orange County Garage Door replacements, Orange County Garage Door openers, Lake Forest Garage Door repairs, Lake Forest Garage Door openers, Mission Viejo Garage Door replacements, Aliso Viejo Garage Door repair, and Aliso Viejo Garage Door replacements, Tustin Garage Door repair, Irvine Garage Door repair, Rancho Santa Margarita Garage Door repair, Coto de Caza Garage Door repair, and Ladera Ranch new garage doors. Do you need a new garage door in Laguna Beach, San Juan Capistrano, San Clemente? Well, come to us. We're your friends. Is your car trapped in that garage and you need to get your car out and you can't get to it? Call us. www.orangecountygaragedoorrescue.com.